it's not one of those kind of wigs. You got to understand your friends in your life and the people in your life and deal with them accordingly. And this is the wig that you just put on your head and you wear and you look good. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we're talking about a real simple, easy, beginner-friendly wig that's giving us natural texture. She's giving us the flow. She's giving us everything. We're talking about this wig sent over by Samsbeauty, and I think this is their brand, Studio Cut. I have the dpl001 wig and I have the color number 2. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on and then I'm gonna wrap it up with my final thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, let's get started.
Thought I met you at the wrong time, then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey. Keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Can't recall when you came.
So this wig was sent to me by Samsbeauty. Thank you so much for sending over this wig. So the brand is Studio Cut. I think this is a Samsbeauty exclusive wig, so you could only get it on their website. I have the style dpl001 and I have the color number 2. And first of all, shout out to that wig bait on the stock cart over there, killing it. I see you, Kyra. She is a YouTuber, and yeah, she is killing that stock cart. So this is a very beginner-friendly wig, y'all. This is the wigs that you get when you start wearing wigs. I mean, it's a very beautiful on and gone wig. It's crazy because I was recently wearing my Outre Neesha 203 wig, and this kind of reminds me a little. I didn't say it reminds me. Don't y'all say that I said this is the same wig. That's not what I'm saying, but it kind of is giving me that vibes. Let me explain. So this is a very natural wig. It's not as dense as that wig. I love the texture on this wig. It's a yaki texture. It's not too silky, but it's kind of more like a light yaki. It's very thin and it's a very natural density. This is pretty much the density. It might be too thin for some people, but it's a very everyday natural density. This is what the back is looking like, and it just feels like a wig that you wear every single day. Now, as far as what it says, since I never really wore one of these Studio Cut wigs, it's not really any specs on here of what it's claiming. It does say it's ear-to-ear soft lace. I must say that it is fitting pretty comfortably on my head. It does go ear to ear, and it says it's soft Swiss lace. Now with this wig, I kind of feel like I don't know what was really the point. Sometimes I don't know. Sometimes I don't even know what's the point of adding lace to the front, because this is a very dense wig. This is not a wig that I would consider putting up. This is the wig that you get, that you take out the pack, you put on, and you get out the house. But because it's a lace part wig, you can get away with that. So you're not going to get a hairline with this. It don't even make sense to attempt to pluck it. It's not one of those kind of wigs. You got to understand your friends in your life and the people in your life and deal with them accordingly. And this is the wig that you just put on your head and you wear and you look good. I love the layers in here. It's nice tapered ends, so it's not like a blunt cut. It's nice layers in here. As far as the length goes, so this is what she's looking like. Again, very natural everyday length. Like you see when you get to the ends how thin it is. It's not going to be thick at all. And then in the back, I like the fact that it doesn't feel like Barbie doll hair. Like, it feels really natural, and it is kind of giving me like a yak, like a thinned out yak. And as much as this wig is that basic beginner friendly wig, this is a wig that's like one of those wigs that you kind of would keep in rotation, because every time you go to Target you need wigs like this. And it's not just Target, sometimes you just go into the last minute baby showers and stuff and you need wigs like this. Sometimes you go on the last minute happy hours and your friend said meet me outside, you need wigs like this. So I appreciate these natural everyday texture wigs that I could just boom, 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 put it on my head and get out the house. And I do like this color number 2. I feel like it's very natural looking. I've been leaning more towards number 2s versus 1Bs, and yeah, I think it's cute. I did go off camera and cut my lace off camera because this ain't no special kind of cutting, and I can't see, so this is one of those laces you cut off, you put some powder in the parting space. The parting space was really tight. I did go in and pluck it out some, but just go in and pull some hairs out and put some powder. And I did also have to go in with some heat at the top of this wig because it was a little humpy up here. And if you don't want to look too wiggy, you know, do a little extra. Put the little extra work in. You're gonna look good. Put the little extra work in and I think it'll be worth it. I also just have my wig grip on and I didn't secure this wig at all. All I did was right here with my bedhead spray, because I feel like sometimes with these lace part wigs, all you need is security right there. You just need that little bit of seatbelt action and you're gonna be okay. But I think she's cute. I think she's worth it. I think it's a good everyday natural. It says natural deep part wig, and that's what she's giving me. She's not giving me that length that I see on the stock card. It is a good natural everyday, you know, straight wig. And it's only $25, y'all. So all my beginners, shout out to my beginners. This for you, boo. Oh, my lip. If y'all want to know about my lip, I do have the Pat McGrath. It's called Obsessed, okay? I'm just telling you guys this because who knows, by the time I film this video, I'm not gonna remember what lippy I have on. So that's what I have on. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Have y'all ever tried this line? Because I haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Oh yeah, glowing like a headlight. Independent of the way, got her bread right. Yeah, hard to